What is it that draws readers to science fiction?
My own feeling is that science fiction is the relevant literary form for today. Of all the different types of fiction, science fiction is the only one which takes as its basic assumption that societies are going to change, and which sets its stories against a fundamentally different society. It's something with great differences in it, whether it's time travel, whether it's overcrowdedness, whether it's space travel, whatever. It's not the present society. And
well, there was a phrase you used, and I think what was your very first novel. You talked about the awful powers of darkness. Is the whole question of magic and fantasy and mystery and myth what brings people to it as well? Some
people have that theory, but I don't.
I see.
Because there is real fantasy now. There are, for instance, the Lord of the Rings, that trilogy. There is Tolkien one. Watership Down right now is an excellent fantasy by a fellow called Adams. People who want that can still find it undiluted. No, I think science fiction refers to different societies which are connected to ours through scientific and technological change. There is always that feeling that we are heading right now rapidly into changing societies. People who are young people today know that when they're middle-aged, life will be nothing like what it is now. And science fiction gives them an opportunity to try on different societies. It's the only thing that's relevant. Anything which deals with the world of today is going to have no meaning to young people of today when, say, 30 years from now.